to do collaborative work in Smartcat. To start working in Smartcat, we need to go to the site smartcat.com. So here we'll open the site. We have an account already created. Now we will log in. Log in, you will put here your electronic mail, password, or use this one. For example, for me, I usually use Google account. It asked me to type the login name and the password. Then now this is the screen of Smartcat. Now go to the team. In the team we have our company that called company university that will be admin of our team. In the menu tab, team command. You will log in with this account, company university. I'll give you the login name and the password. This is our company university, and all of you will be working in this company as a freelancer translator. Now to invite translators, click on invite. Here you will put the electronic mail of translator that you want to invite. So now here only company university will be admin and another members will be as executor or manager. Now we will select executor. This is language of inviting. You may enter some message and click on this button add. So we invited our first members of our team. Now you will invite all of the members to this company. Now let's create a glossary. My resources and glossary. Click on create a glossary. Here you will put the name of glossary. So the name also put the project name because you will do a lot of projects here, a lot of translation work. So for this, for every project will be different glossary, So to find quickly your glossary collection, put here the name of the project name and select the language that you will select. You may add some comments and click on save. Now click on this button, add term. Here I already prepared some glossary terms that I will use to my project. So here put the English term and the translation of this word, so So comments you may add and click on this tick button. So next, to add next term, click on this add term, and the next term, this is this word. So what is glossary. So it's a collection of terms, the base of terms that can be used in your document. So you know that some words can be used in different meaning. So also you will find the right, correct translation. You will research it and you will use this word to all your document. So also in teamworks, some other members can think that they can use another terms, but in one document, in the same document, some term, the name of some process, need to use the same word to be clearly for all participants in this project work. So for this you will create glossary. So in your translation process, you will meet with this word in several times. So you can use the same word. Here I'm adding the prepared glossary terms that I will use in my translation work. This translation work is the thematic is architecture, and the terms also about this. Now you may after finishing creating a glossary, you may download your document. The document glossary can be downloaded in Excel format, so you can view it, and also in your another way you can use it. You see here the date and the terms in Russian that we have the document, and in English. So it's only the part of this glossary, its example. Let's go to my task. My task to create a project, click on create project. Now you will upload the document, the file that you need to translate. Here I prepared this document to translate. I need to translate it, so it's a new project. Далее, next, here you will enter the name of the project, so to be definitely for all members, add the clearly name, the document name or the thematic name, and also add the deadline, and select the languages that you will work in. You may select another languages, you may add some comments, also use machine translation, it will be help to you to translate. And here you see some additional settings. Here you see glossary. Now let's add our created glossary. Add. You may here create new one, but we already created, so we will use this one. So from this list you will select the glossary that you already created. So we will find with the name of glossary here. Add. Now we added our glossary that we created, that we will use it to the document, and here's some settings. Quality of translation, you see, you may view it and change something. The quality of translation, so about when you will translate, it will give you some information. Now finish. Now we created a project through the company login. Here you see this button, and with this button we will add executors of this project. You see we added this person to our team, and now we will select to do this project. So also we will add this one, and this, you see, these two persons will be work in this project. They will translate together, do collaborative work. So they will take some inviting message to the electronic mail. Now let's go to project. This is project. Now it's author. These team members, and here can be many freelancer translator, and invite this translator to work in this project. We are inviting. Okay, send invitation to work in this project, so they will take some invitation to participate in this work. Also, let's view how members can take the invitation. Oh, this is the account that will participate in this translation. You see, the invitation will be in this way. So I want to participate, and you will all this information, and you need to do it. Now it's opening the workspace of Smartcat. You see, this is the document, and you see here another participant. That company invite, you know that this company invite two persons to translate it. Now it's another account, and you can view that another translators also will be working this translation. So let's add here the translation. Click on tick button, and let's view from another account. So let's see it. So now I'm going to login with another account. This account. Let's view it. So we are going to start collaborative work. So you see that this company invite to work in this project two translators. So first translator is already start to translate, and here you see this another account. So you see in this way, this is invitation project that we will do. So you see client invite us. Now let's go in this to this project. You see information about this document. Now this can be the messages. Now I want to participate in this project. So click on this button, and then now let's view what we have. It's uploading now. This is workspace in Smartcat from another account, you see. So it can be messages here. So this, you see, the first segment is already translated. So you see this account and others translators. Now you can work in next segment. So it's, you know, that is clouds. So this will be already saved. Now let's view about glossary and machine translation. You see here on the cat pane, here will be give us some possible translation of this segment of this sentence in cat pane. So you may use it, but you need to check it. You see here the color is yellow. It means that this word is in our glossary that we created. So this word in our glossary, it means in this way. And this you see that in the cat pane, the second is machine translation. So also you will use your glossary, also you will use machine translation, and you will give your translation. So you remember that we created glossary, we add the terms, also this term, this word that indicate us in this yellow color, this is word from glossary. So this glossary works and give us the translation of this word. And then now we view it in the cat pane. Also machine translation works. It gives us possible translation. We will translate by ourselves using all this information. Tick button, click on tick. You may use the translation from cat pane with button, control, and the segment name, number. So also these words you see in the, we have this word in our glossary. Then now we can use it. Let's translate these sentences. Oh, you see here the translation, machine translation is translate for us in this word. You see, but you will check it. So it's not correct. So we will translate by ourselves. Or we can change only the word in this translation that we take from machine translation. Now also we can copy it and put here with paste button, or we can use button control plus 1. This word also we have in our glossary. The cat pane give us this word in the translation of this word, and also machine translation it works. This is status that indicate us the work that we have done, and here toolbar that we can use in our work in Smartcat. So for example, this let's delete this translation with this button, or we can undo our last action or undo these buttons. This is to go to the next segment. This is go to the segment with number, for example 2. So we have this segment. This adds some symbols if we need it.